Today, I want to walk you through how this online business model works in a very simple way. I want you to understand the full system, step by step, so you are not sitting there wondering, what is this? How does it work? Could someone like me learn it?
A little bit about the Six-Figure Blueprint. The Six-Figure Blueprint is a program that allows you to learn how to do digital marketing, and it gives you step-by-step instructions. It's very simple to follow. You get a video, you watch the video, you follow the steps in the video. It's really easy to implement, so it helps you learn step by step. Another great thing about it is when you purchase the blueprint from my mentor or any of the people in our community, you get added to our community, which is full of amazingly supportive people with a lot of knowledge that will help you. Our mentor has built this community and added so much additional training. And right now we're even doing a campaign to boost our sales. And she's giving us videos every single day with step-by-step instructions of how to help our business grow.
Hey there, I am Ina. After trying different ways to create more freedom, I found digital marketing, and now I share the simple steps I wish I had when I started. I help make digital marketing feel simple, honest, and doable, especially for people starting later in life who want more freedom, more confidence, and more choices for their family. This is the kind of path I share through Modern-Millionaire: how to make money online in a way that feels clear, simple, and possible. Right now, more and more people are online. They are learning online, making decisions online, and looking for ways to improve their skills or create income from home. Some people only want to learn a new digital skill. Some people want extra income. Some people want to build a real online business with more freedom and more choices. Whatever season you are in, this guided step-by-step educational program is designed to show you the path. It teaches digital marketing in simple steps, with videos you can watch and follow. You do not have to guess. You watch the lesson, follow the action, and keep moving. When you get started, you receive access to the digital training platform. Inside, you learn how digital marketing works, how to set up your online system, how to share the offer, and how to follow a simple blueprint. One thing I love is that the lessons are broken down into short steps. You are not just handed a huge confusing course and told, good luck. You are shown what to do next. And you are also added to a community of people who are learning the same thing. That matters because when you are new, support is everything. You can ask questions, you can learn from people ahead of you, you can see examples, and you can stop feeling like you are trying to figure everything out alone.
I'm the mom that's always had a side hustle. I'm the mom that has sold an MLM her entire life. I am also that mom that said, I could never make money on the internet. I could never make that kind of money. But here I am, making in 3 months more than my yearly salary at the 9 to 5 that I've had for 17 years. You can do it, okay? I did it without a following. I did it without a mentor because I plugged into this community and followed it step by step. I did it with no experience and no idea how, but I knew the Lord had something in store for me that was bigger than being stuck in a budget, paycheck to paycheck kind of life. I encourage you, step out in faith, change the situation that you're in. Digital marketing is our future. Social media is our future. I have spun my wheels with MLMs for over 20 years, and the income and the change that has brought to my life in these few short months, I desperately want that for you. Oh my goodness. If nothing changes, nothing changes.
One of the first things the program helps you set up is your own online page. This is where people can learn more, enter their email, and decide if they want the blueprint too. That is one of the reasons I like this model. You are not chasing people. You're not begging friends and family. You're not trying to convince someone who is not interested. You're sharing information, and the people who want more details can raise their hand by entering their email. Then the system helps follow up with them. That is the part many beginners do not understand at first. The work is not only posting online. The work is learning how to create a simple path: content, interest, email, follow-up, and the offer. Now you may be wondering, how do people even find the page? That is a good question. The program gives you training and examples for sharing online. You learn how to create simple posts, how to use content, and how to put your message in front of people who are already looking for a solution. Some people use short-form content, some people use TikTok, some people use YouTube, some people use free posting methods, some people use other organic strategies. The point is not to force one exact platform. The point is to learn the skill of sharing a message clearly so the right person can find you. And for me, that is important because I already learned from dropshipping that I did not want my whole business depending on one platform. Another important piece is email follow-up. When someone enters their email because they want more information, they can receive helpful messages that explain the business, the blueprint, and the next step. This is why I like having a system. Because without a system, you are trying to remember everything yourself. With a system, people can learn more even when you are not sitting there typing the same explanation over and over. Some people will look and decide it is not for them. That is okay. Some people will look and realize, actually, this makes sense for me. That is why I like to say, this is more peaceful than chasing people. You share the information. The right people decide if they want to learn more. Sometimes we make online business feel harder than it is because we think it must be complicated, but often the simple pieces are the most important. Learn the skill, set up the page, share the message, follow up, stay consistent. That does not mean there is no work. There is work, there is learning, there is practice, but it gives you a path instead of guessing. And if you are coachable, willing to learn, and willing to follow steps consistently, that is where things can begin to change.
My name is Adrienne and I'm a midlife Gen Xer. I never thought that I would be able to make money online, but we were struggling. We were working 7 days a week, paycheck to paycheck. It was never enough. You know, when you go home, you're cranky, you're tired, you're irritable. So when I found something that I could actually work just 2 hours a day, where that's mean like 15 minutes here, 20 minutes there, and actually be able to see results. 2 days after my program was set up, I had my first $600 day. I was blown away to actually hear that ding and to know that I actually did it. And I'm seeing success and I'm seeing results. Being able to have extra money, being able to do certain things that you've always wanted to do, that's the part that blows my mind. And I can do all of this in a 2-hour day. And the most amazing part is I'm gaining so much extra. It's not just about a course, it's not just about a program. I'm actually gaining so much with this mentoring because we get actual mentoring. This is amazing, but it's changing my mindset. It's changing how I look at life. It's changing how I look at things. I mean, that in itself is valuable alone. This is the most amazing program. We are changing lives. We are building legacies. And now is the time to be part of it.
The e-learning space is growing because people want to learn online. People want flexible skills, people want options, people want a way to learn from home. And many people are looking for something simple enough to start without being a tech expert. That is why this program caught my attention. It is education, it is a system, it is support, it is a blueprint, and it teaches a skill that can be used online. For me, as a mom of twins, that mattered. I did not want another business that needed me physically somewhere all day. I wanted something I could learn from home and build around real life. You may have heard me talk about Wendy Nolan. Wendy is in my community, and she has shared very strong results, including a 6-figure month. That is Wendy's result, not mine, and it is not typical or guaranteed. But what I love about Wendy's story is that she is a mom and grandma who was willing to learn the skills, plug into the training, stay coachable, and keep going. That is the part I want you to notice. This is not magic money. It is a map with help.
Hi, you guys. My name is Deanna McCoy. Back in December, when I purchased this blueprint to a 6-figure online income, I was looking for a way to bring in steady, consistent income to help stabilize our finances. My husband is a general contractor and in construction. That business is completely unpredictable. And I wanted something that was not going to take me away from our family, or if I actually had to go get like a full-time, part-time job outside of the home. Why I was able to purchase this blueprint to a 6-figure online income was because it was affordable, no monthly expenses, right? A very low investment, and the community, the mentorship. And what I like the best, well, actually, there are like 3 things, is the community of like-minded people, daily pay, the ability to learn how to earn daily pay, like a minimum of $300 a day. It's like $109,000 a year. And then also a 2-hour workday. So if you are ready, we are getting ready to start a awesome 90-day breakthrough. And we're going to learn so much. Love to see you on the other side.
A simple daily routine could look like this. You spend time learning. You create or share content. You check your emails. You answer real questions from interested people. You keep improving. This is not about being online every minute of the day. It is about having a simple process you can repeat. And when you repeat the right process, you start building skill and confidence. That is what many beginners need most. Not hype, not pressure, a clear process. This may be for you if you want to improve a digital skill. It may be for you if you want to learn how online business works. It may be for you if you are a mom who wants more flexibility. It may be for you if you are in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, and you feel like you are starting later than everyone else. And it may be for you if you are willing to be coachable and consistent. But I want to be clear. No one can guarantee your results. Some people make money, some people do not. Your outcome depends on your effort, skill, consistency, time, market conditions, and other factors. If you are someone who loves helping people and you want to learn a skill that can be used from home, this may be worth looking at. The timing matters because more people are learning online than ever before. People are looking for simple education. People are looking for a blueprint. People are looking for a way to understand digital marketing without feeling overwhelmed. And that is exactly why I share this, because I know what it feels like to want something different, but not know where to start. I love my career. But when my twins were born, success changed for me. I wanted freedom without missing the moments that matter. And I want you to remember this. You are not too late. You may just need a simple path. If you want the free blueprint I still use every day, go to https://www.modern-millionaire.com/ enter your email, and I will send it straight to you along with a simple video that walks you through everything step by step. No pressure, no big decision today. Just look at the path and see if it makes sense for your life. Go grab the blueprint, and I will see you in the next video. And if you want more simple, real-world online business strategies, make sure you subscribe.